where the teacher was telling about dangerous radioactive spiders.
Wow, this spider is so scary.
While the teacher was giving a lecture, the spider managed to escape from the terrarium and crawled into the kitten's backpack.
Bye-bye, teacher. Mommy, I'm home.
Oh no, a radioactive spider crawled out of a backpack and bit the kitten. Ambulance arrived and he was taken to the hospital. Oh God, he is transforming into a monster. Oh no, my child. Give me back my kitten, monster.
Mommy, what happened?
Luckily, the mother cat found a way to save her. Bye-bye, kitten.
Goodbye, Mommy.
Wow, the mother cat left so much delicious homemade food.
I'm so hungry.
Oh no, the kitten chose to eat a bunch of sweets instead of homemade food. Honey, I am back.
Oh my God.
The kitten ate so many sweets that he had to be taken to the hospital. Oh my God, the kitten's belly was full of candy. I've never seen so many sweets. Wow, the mother cat and kitten finally met. Since then, the kitten stopped eating sweets and preferred healthy homemade food. Well, this cat family lives a happy life.
Mom, Dad, I'm going to school.
Have a good day, son.
While the kitten was at school, the cat mom was busy with household chores, and the cat dad decided to relax in his own way.
Mom, Dad, I'm home.
Seems like the cat dad's relaxing went too far.
Show me your grades right now.
I failed the test today.
You are such a useless kid.
Sorry, Dad, I will study harder.
I'll teach you how to respect me.
The kitten could not tolerate his father's behavior and ran outside in search of help.
Officers, please help my mom.
The police quickly arrived at the kitten's house and detained the violent father. Doctors did everything possible to help the mother cat, and now the kitten has a brother. The mother cat is cooking food while little kitten is playing games. The mother cat kept calling the kitten for food, but it doesn't listen. The mother cat got angry, and that's when the kitten heard his mother. The mother cat went inside the kitchen to bring juice to the little kitten, but when she got back, she was shocked to see the whole mess. Kitten had eaten like crazy. Oh no! The mother cat got very angry, but kitten ran away from the house. Now mother cat has to clean everything again. Kitten Kitten sees some mud and starts playing in it, making her clothes dirty again. The teacher gives a test to everyone, but oh no, the kitten is very worried because he doesn't know any answers. Everyone else is happy as they pass, while Kitten is sad because he failed the exams. Kitten walks back home and is very afraid to show his exam results, and oh no, Mother Cat is very disappointed in him after seeing his test reports. The little kitten says sorry, but Mother Cat isn't hearing all that and say he will get punished. After that, the Mother Cat told him to do all the housework. The kitten has to clean the house and wash all the dishes and settle the whole kitchen again. After getting it done, he was told to do his homework, and now the kitten has to do all the homework. The kitten said sorry and asked for mercy, and Mother Cat eventually forgave him, and were happy again together. Who broke the TV?
It was her. It's not true.
Go clean up the mess you made. Oh no, the naughty brother broke the TV and blamed it on his sister.
Do all my homework for tomorrow.
Poor sister did her brother's homework all night while he slept soundly in his room.
I haven't slept at all. I'm so tired. I slept so well. It's time to go to school.
Poor Sister Kitten was so tired at night that she fell asleep right during the test while her brother was full of energy for studying.
Mom, look at my test score.
Wow, I'm so proud of you, son.
Mom, sorry for the bad test score, Mommy. It's because of my brother, I swear.
Don't blame your brother. You're grounded. The mother cat didn't believe the kitten, but her brother was angry that his sister ratted him. Huh? Out, son, you will be severely punished.
Mom, don't punish him. I forgive him.
Wow, the kind kitten was able to forgive her brother, and since then, they lived like a loving family.
Kitten breakfast is ready.
I'm coming, Dad. Daddy, you're the best.
All right, son, it's time for me to head to work.
Bye-bye.
The father cat went to work, but soon came home very upset.
I can't stand my job and my boss.
Daddy, let's go play.
Don't bother me, I'm not in the mood.
I'm sorry.
The father cat decided to go to a bar to forget his troubles, but that only caused bigger issues.
Where's my daddy?
Why is the house such a mess?
Huh?
I'm going to teach you to listen to your father.
Oh no, the father cat became very aggressive and started hurting the poor kitten. Luckily, a passerby heard the kitty cries and called the police. The police were shocked by what they found and quickly arrested the father cat. A doctor helped the poor kitten, and now he's safe. The kitten came home, and Mother Cat is cooking for her. Mother Cat saw Kitten's bad grade and got really angry. Kitten, why did you get a bad grade? You really disappointed me, and I will ground you. The kitten said, sorry. Kitten asked for food. Serve food today. Go to your room and do your homework. the mother cat discovered that the kitten had run from home through the window, and now, at the street all alone, the kitten was hungry and saw a candy.
Huh?
She began to collect the candy scattered around and went into a dark alley. Oh no, the kitten fell into a trap of evil black cat and was kidnapped. The mother cat reported to the police. Fortunately, the police got on the trail of the criminal and detained him.